If you don't like dealing with breakouts but still want clear skin, then stick around for these tips. Acne is super common, especially for teens. But don't worry, managing it is easier than you think. First, wash your face no more than twice a day with a mild cleanser. Avoid oil-based products and always remove makeup before bed. Exercise regularly and keep your hair clean. Yes, it helps. For mild acne, talk to a pharmacist about creams or gels. Just be careful with benzoyl peroxide. It can bleach clothes. If your acne is severe, see a GP. They can prescribe stronger treatments. And remember, don't pick at your spots. It can lead to scarring. Hormones are the main culprit here, so be patient. Results take time, but they're worth it. You're not alone in this.